Welcome to the IDPH Opioid Data Dashboard. This interactive website is meant to inform statewide efforts to combat the opioid epidemic. It can be accessed at the URL here. The red banner at the top of the page has total state numbers for non-fatal and fatal overdoses. The map on the left side of the page has non-fatal overdoses. The middle map includes fatal overdoses, and the map all the way over the right breaks them down by zip code. Hovering your mouse over a county of interest will give you that county's rate, which you can then compare to the state rate over on these red bar graphs on the right. You can also filter by a cause of overdose and year. Please note that heroin versus other opioids are non-mutually exclusive categories. An overdose with heroin mixed with fentanyl, for example, will be counted in both categories because other opioids encompass synthetics. The asterisk means the data are suppressed for private health information reasons and counts are 10 or fewer. When clicking on the Trends tab, you'll open the Trends dashboard. This dashboard presents statewide trends in fatal and non-fatal overdoses over time by cause of overdose and by age group, race, and sex. For trends by county or even zip code, go back to the Mortality and Morbidity dashboard, select the county or zip code of interest, click it, and it will automatically generate a trends dashboard for that particular area of interest. The next tab is the Prescription Opioids tab. This dashboard shows data from Illinois' Prescription Monitoring Program, which tracks prescribing and dispensing of controlled substances, including opioids, across the state. The red banner at the top shows the average day's supply of a prescription, the total number of patients receiving prescriptions, and the total number of opioid prescriptions. The state heat map on the left shows the rate of opioid prescribing for each county that is greater than 90 MME, which per CDC guidelines is considered particularly dangerous. On the right are two sets of line graphs that show certain prescribing trends over time. The first set of line graphs shows the number of prescriptions that are considered high risk. The first line is the number of benzodiazepine opioid co-prescriptions. The second line shows the number of greater than 90 MME prescriptions. The second set of line graphs shows the total number of opioid prescriptions as well as an average day supply for those prescriptions. If you click on any given county on the map, all of these prescribing data and trends are available at the county level. The last tab is the Mortality Details dashboard. This dashboard breaks down fatal overdose data into more granular causes of overdose. Detailed descriptions of the different types of opioids involved and what is included in each category are at the bottom right-hand side of the page. It's important to note again that many opioid overdoses involve more than one type of opioid. An overdose may be counted in multiple categories. For example, a fatal overdose involving heroin mixed with fentanyl would be included in the heroin involved, synthetic involved, and heroin synthetic mixture involved category. Demographic trends and trends over time are shown on this dashboard, similar to the Trends dashboard. You can use the menus in the top right of the dashboard to filter all of this information by year as well as by county. We hope you will find this interactive dashboard useful as you attempt to target opioid use reduction programs to specific communities.